All right, let's do a little solution stoic. This is the question that's on page 24 of your workbook. I've already written out the reaction up at the top. It talks about a solution of silver nitrate reacting with chloride ion. And because it's just chloride ion, I included it as just chloride ion right there. The product is silver chloride, solid because it precipitates out. And then you have the nitrate ion, which stays in solution. For those of you who find this reaction a wee bit weird, you could just think of, okay, what would supply you with chloride ion? A nice easy example is something like salt, NaCl. So I rewrote it down here in a way that you can understand it a wee bit better. This is the information given in the question. 0.5 liters of AgNO3 is what you have. This is the concentration of the AgNO3 solution. And what you're trying to find is the actual mass of the AgCl that you're expected to produce, given that you have an excess amount of this. So this is not an LR question, not yet. All right, well, let's take a look and see how we'd set this bambino up. It's pretty straightforward. We want X grams of AgCl solid. The amount of AgCl solid that you are expecting to get, given the fact that you're going to be using 0.5 liters of the AgNO3. So you can kind of see this is just a simple little example of a solution stoic question where you're going to use factor analysis to solve it in one step instead of doing step 1, step 2, step 3, steps 4, blah, blah, blah. I can't stand that, quite honestly. That's my personal opinion, but here we go. Let's take a peek. First thing you're going to do is convert the liters to moles, because you are given the concentration, it's right there. So we pop that 0.1 moles per 1 liter. Liter and liter will cancel. We're now in moles of that. We don't want this, we want AgCl, so we need a mole-to-mole ratio now. And the mole-to-mole ratio will look like this. Moles of what we want to get rid of will go at the bottom. Why? So they can cancel. Bye-bye. And moles of what we want will go up at the top. And because this is a nice 1-to-1-to-1-to-1 thingy-majiggy, we're just going to go 1-to-1. The last step you can easily predict. We're going to be converting moles to grams. Because we're not changing the entity, I don't really care about you writing the entity again. So we're just going to write moles down here because that's what I want to get rid of. And we want grams. And the molar mass of Cl solid, AgCl, not Cl3, is actually 178. So we're going to write 178 per 1 mole. Guess what? You simply take that, you multiply it by this, you multiply it by that, and you get a handy dandy little 8.90 grams of AgCl solid. And that, my friends, is how simple this is. I hope it was clear. Talk to you soon.